Hello guys, Flash here. Today we're going to discuss about the COMMIE coin. So I just found this coin. It is a really interesting coin as they have a bright plan going on into the future. So the coin itself is on DxSale right now, so it's on pre-sale. They've already raised 40 BNB at the time of the recording, and the pre-sale ends in about 7 hours. Quick disclaimer guys, it's not financial advice or anything. Everything I say in this video has to be taken as education purposes only. So this is kinda interesting, so let's grow together, the first socialist crypto. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group, as they're very active and they show a lot of instructions on how to buy and everything. Getting into the white paper, so as I said before, 13% redistribution to all holders, 0.5% transaction limit. So in order to ensure a fair distribution of coins among holders and avoid whales, COMMIE coins holders won't be able to trade more than 0.5% of the total amount at once. And they have a 2% charity holdings. They would like to donate a part of the revenue to a charity. The charity will be decided on a month basis by the holders for votes on social media platforms. The fee on transaction is meant to be this high, so it will prevent whales. So let's take a look at the roadmap. In Q2 launch, PancakeSwap listing, COMMIE swap, so they'll do a PooCoin related like charts. CoinGecko Plus CoinMarketCap listings, merch, and an audit. In Q3, COMMIE NFT collection, COMMIE swap app, donations, exchange listing, and full brand release. And in Q4, Cardano integration, social app, charity shop partnerships. Safety and sustainability. So COMMIE coin is a token by the workers for the workers. To ensure your security and the longevity of the project, they have locked all liquidity. They designed COMMIE coin to be self-sustaining by implementing a tax which continues to build liquidity to create a larger and larger market cap. That being it for today's video guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to check the links in the description. Flash out.